Storm Florence has taken 13 lives. Destructions are enormous. Thousands of people who live near the rivers of North Carolina must be evacuated immediately. The number of deaths are rising, and the danger is far from over. Soldiers and the Coast Guard are working day and night at limiting the damages. Hundreds of people were trapped by the water. They were rescued on Saturday by helicopters and boats. In some parts of North Carolina, Storm Florence has brought more than 75 centimeters of rain. The governor warns of the dangers and asks people not to use the roads. President Donald Trump has said that North Carolina will get economic help from Washington. Trump will visit the flooded areas next week.